Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Chase bank account. First of all, open up any browser and at the search bar type in chase.com and then click on enter. Now at the top navigation bar you can select which account to get logged in, either it's personal account, business account or a commercial account. Then at the right hand side you will see a small box where you can type in your username and password. You can check this box to save your credential in this website for further uses. You can also click on this link to use a token to get logged in. Now click on sign in button to log into your Chase bank account. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link. If you do not have Chase bank account, then click on this link and follow the instructions to make a new Chase bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.